Welcome guys, this is Harsh from the Tech Guy, and this is another video from the Windows 10 tips and tricks. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your taskbar and make a lots of changes like making it transparent, opaque and other design features. So without wasting time, let's get started. So firstly, we need to install an application and which you are looking into my screen. The name is TaskbarX. So firstly we need to install this. The link is given in the video description, so click that link and I will show you how to do this. So go to that link and it will take you to this page, and here you can see this is the option for the latest version 1.6.9.0. so click on this and here it will take you to this GitHub page, and in this you have to simply go to this. Here you can see there is arm.zip, so download your application and install it in your machine. So I have already done in my PC, so I'm going to show you how to launch. So this is the application. You can see this is the taskbar, and now open your folder, and now you can see here this is all the files of the TaskbarX. Now you see there is a two application like this. The first one is taskbarx.exe and another one is TaskbarX Configurator. So first of all we will make a desktop shortcut for both of these applications, so I'm showing you. So right click on this, and here you can see there is a option send to, and you can select this desktop create shortcut, and same thing for this configurator. Right click on this and send to desktop create shortcut. So I have done this because you have to always not come here to this folder, so it will take you time. So simply create a shortcut to your desktop. Now you can see these are the taskbar shortcuts, and now first of all, so double click this. Yes, you can see once you run taskbar it will stay even if you restart or shut down your PC. Now you can see here, now all your taskbar icons will be on the center. You can see my taskbar icons on the center. So you have to simply double click on this taskbar exe. Now another thing I want to show you here, that if I am opening any other programs like this my computer, and let's say I am opening store. Yes, now you can see if I open any other program, then the taskbar X will readjust these programs automatically so that all the icons are centered. And if I will quit this, you can see it has gone and it will automatically center all the icons. So this is a very good tool. Now I am showing you this TaskbarX configurator. So here you can configure your taskbar by applying the settings. So I am opening this. Yes, you can see this is the taskbar configurator. Now I will change the style of my taskbar and you will see the effects. So let's say I want to change this as transparent, so I will select this transparent, and there are many options: gradient, opaque, blur and add click. So I will select this transparent and click on this apply option. Yes, you can see now that my taskbar is transparent now. So it is amazing, and it also looking so beautiful. Okay, so I'm showing you. So if you want to select this transparent gradient, so if you want to select opaque, then click on this and click here on apply. Now the another feature, that is animation. So when you open up any program, it will animate. So let's say these are the animations, so you can play with these animations. So select any of this, and you can also preview. Here I am showing, select, you can set also animation speed. You can see this is the preview, and animation style. So these are the settings of the animations. Now the another feature, that is position. So if you want to change your position of your icon, so you can set your positions here. So you can see there is option primary taskbar, secondary taskbar. So this is the position you can set here. So these things you can't, I will suggest you to leave as this as default. These things are not so much useful. Now these are the here this is the startup function. Here you can set your delay timing. So if you so I have already tell you that once you run your TaskbarX, it will stay on. Even if you will restart or shut down your computer, it will stay on. So here you can set your delay time settings. So customize your settings with your own, and click here apply option. And now in the extra features, you can see these are the some options. You can hide primary area, hide, and there is also option to uninstall this. So this is the process you can customize your taskbar. So it is very beautiful tools. So one thing I am also showing you, that if you want to stop your TaskbarX, then click on this option, stop taskbar. And now you can see that you can see now everything is in the normal position. So if you want to again then restart, then again you can see the icons, these icons are shifted on the center position. So that's it guys. So we have come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed my video, so please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips and tricks like this. So goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.